how to make an Instagram story 60 seconds long. So in the video today, I'll show you how you can make an Instagram story 60 seconds long on an iOS and Android phone. So let's go ahead and get right into today's video. So I'm currently on my Instagram page right here now. If I go ahead and click on my story, you can see I'm going to go ahead and click camera. Now from the camera, you should see that I'm currently on the story mode. You can see my keyboard and everything. Now, if I go ahead and click the option here, the little tab, it's going to actually untab a few options here. Now, the thing is with a story, you cannot record any longer than a few seconds. And basically, there is usually a length option right here, but that it only applies to Reels. So Instagram has been making some, features come out where it does come out accessible to actually make a story 60 seconds long. So until then, we will have to wait for the actual update to come out for that. But until then, you can actually use Reels to actually make stories. Now you can see you can actually choose the length right here of the actual reel, and you can choose up to 90 seconds long, but you can actually make a 60-second reel here, and basically you could share it on your story. So basically, that's how you go ahead and make an Instagram story 60 seconds long. Until then, we will have to wait for an update on Instagram to actually get a story 60 seconds long. But if you found this video helpful in somewhat way, please leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you until next time.